Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a capsule sensor lamp. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. Right away they give you a little manual. Looks like a backing plate. Actually they're magnetic plates. So this is it. So it operates by magnetic. As you guys can see, so this would get placed wherever you want it to be at, and then this gets placed on it, or just like that, and this sticks down, and then this wherever you would like it to be. So this is a sensor that's going to pick up. So you turn this. All you have to do is turn it for auto or on. It charges right here, so you could have this, you can mount this anywhere you want. And this can be mounted anyway, so you could have it up like that, sideways, however you want it. It will mount perfectly. So let's turn some lights off, show you guys what it looks like. So it's a nice, beautiful white color. And again, you can have it on auto, so that way when it picks movement up at nighttime, it automatically knows. But that's really nice. Nice, cute style design. Provides a nice, decent amount of light. So as you can see, provides a nice amount of light. And you can hang this like that, whatever you want to do with the brackets, and they provide you with a total of 3, so you could have this at 3 different places. So you would put one metal bracket at different locations, and then all you would have to do is just pull this off, stick it on each different location whenever you want. Overall, very nice.